Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Beam 3 headphones and I'm going to show you top tricks of this device. So the best top trick for me is that these headphones have built-in display in our case and we can manage everything using our case. And the second top trick is that we have an application which is used to manage every setting. The next top trick is that we have a lot of features, for example spatial audio or personalized audio. And the next top trick is that we have ear tip fit test. We have a lot of top tricks, for example smart talk, smart audio and video, smart automation, equalizer, LDAC, adaptive equalizer, as I said, personalized audio, left-right sound balance, and relaxed sounds. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!